Hi, I'm Tori. I am the HR manager at Häfele UK.
And I'm Georgie, and I'm HR business partner for Häfele. So the real living wage is the only UK wage rate which takes into account the cost of living. So whereas the minimum wage and the national living wage are statutory amounts that have to be paid by employers, the real living wage is a higher voluntary amount which is seen to meet the needs, the everyday needs of employees.
It was really important for us as a business that we have this accreditation in place. It's good for our local community, it's really great for our wider society, and it demonstrates to our employees that we are a fair business and we want fair pay for them.
So to become an accredited living wage employer, we had to first ensure that we were paying all of our directly employed staff the living wage, and we have to commit to keeping in line with any increases that are announced every autumn by the Living Wage Foundation. At the same time as looking after our directly employed staff, we also have to ensure that our third-party contractors are also going to be or already paying the real living wage. So we have to commit within 3 years that all of our third-party contractors will be paying that amount to their staff.
It also demonstrates externally that we're a good place to work. So next steps, we're not just going to rest on our laurels. We'll continue to make sure we're accredited and meeting the requirements of the real living wage, but there's scope for so much more as well. So the Real Living Wage Foundation has accreditation for real living hours and the real living pension, which we're really keen to make sure we're supporting as well.